Once this flag goes to the customer, in general, we don't have any kind of responsibility. And when I say any kind of responsibility in terms of design, for instance, if the customer has a check valve, or if he has isolation valve, metering, and wherever, it doesn't matter for us. Of course, that during the hazard analysis of our system, we must consider some kind of we need to consider the what can happen downstream of our process, but in terms of engineering, I cannot buy a check valve to install at the customer, for instance. So the battery limit is, in general, is the limitation between the responsible for the design and the stakeholders or third parties. So my process begins downstream of the truck flag, and it finishes upstream of the customer flag. So these boundaries defines my project, it defines the scope of my project, and it is my battery limit. So it is the overall battery limits, but inside the project we have other kinds of battery limit